Hey guys, I'm going to be doing a voiceover for my husband's install video. Going to be installing this punching bag up in our garage. So the first thing we're going to be doing is setting up our area. We have the ladder ready and he's going to go measure exactly what he needs. I don't exactly know the measurements. I don't like measuring, so he did it. And now he's going to be cutting 3 of the 2x4s. 2 are going to be stacked up together vertically, and 1 is going to be going horizontally. Oh yeah, cut that wood. Remember guys, do not cut your fingers. So now 1 board and the second board will be going up next. Aha. Now it's time to drill. This guy better not fall. Smoking. So again, he's gonna screw in 2 screws for both boards. 1 on the left, 1 on the right, and then top and bottom. Next side. Oh my God, come on, so much screwing. So here it is, all 3 boards complete. Nailed it. Get it? Nailed. Now he's gonna go ahead and make the hole for where that little hooky thingy is. I don't know what it is, what it's called. I mean, it's not a hook, but I mean, you could hook things on it. I don't know. You can do it. Work smarter, not harder. do a little test here. Ooh, yes. So these are the chains that we used. We already have these made, or around, so we just used what we had, and now all you have to do is hang it up, decide how long you want it or how high, and cut the excess off from the punching bag. And ta-da! You have a punching bag. If you guys like this video, give them a big thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching.